Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 6-pack of wall planters. This is a really neat way to be able to display indoor plants, whether it's succulents or any flowers that maybe you want to put on your wall. You can even put these things outside. They include everything you need. So you've got your 6-inch metal ring here that, like I said, you can keep this outside because of the material that's in there. And each one has a little set of your wall anchors and your screws that you would then be able to hang up on a wall. So I'll bring you in here close and take a look at it. But first, I wanted to show you as a little example as to how to hang this up. You would just put it right here, and then you put whatever plant or display item you want to put in there. Just like that, you'd have your flowers in. So even if you wanted to put, say, like a dog food bowl, you can put your dog food bowl in there and have it up off the ground for the dog so it's easier for him to get into. And this would be a nice little way that your vacuums can still get underneath there. So here this is up close. It is a carbon steel, and you've got 2 holes here to be able to mount it into. And then you've just got your nice metal all the way across. And this can hold up to 30 pounds, and they're rust and corrosion resistance. So that's got a lot of durability on it and should last for a long time.